Africa's leading technology partner in government and public sector services digitalization. We seek to transform the economic fortunes of the African continent through technology that enhances government service delivery and builds payment infrastructure geared towards a more connected continent.
Here at Value 8, what we do is we offer cutting-edge solutions and technologies to institutions in the private sector and in government. We pride ourselves as being able to have the latest solutions when it comes to the space. This is AI, machine learning. With digitization of any government or an institution, what we're talking about is ease of access to government services. We're talking about efficiency. We're talking about reduction in corruption. We're talking about transparency. Anybody can actually audit and see how a service has been generated all the way to the end user.
Our areas of specialization include e-government technology solutions, large-scale public sector services digitalization, and integrated digital payments and settlements.
So Value 8 specializes in doing very many things. Of note, I think, initially is what we do in GovTech and government-led space, where we look at a problem, go to a ministry, departments, figure out how we make their work easier, how we digitize and move them online. And that has been our key drive for a very long time. Over time, we're then growing into other sorts of sectors, such as aviation tech, security as general things, because as you get into government, you start realizing there are different engines that need to be built to be able to digitize the whole of the government infrastructure. And we're hoping to grow most of our portfolio companies by building different ventures that then grow into ecosystem.
The government has actually been at the forefront of implementing a lot of solutions, such as innovation hubs, digital payment services. When you talk about youth employment and empowerment, you find that technology is here to be able to provide opportunities for very many youth who join these innovation hubs, and they are able to learn skills through the internet and be able to contribute greatly to the advancement of our economy.
In Kenya, our flagship project, eCitizen, has successfully enabled the collection of government revenue for over 8 years. As a result of our automation of over 5,000 government services, while simultaneously revolutionizing how citizens, residents, and other stakeholders experience and engage with government services. This has played a significant role in Kenya's long-term development plan of transforming the country into a globally competitive digital economy, providing high-quality life to its citizens. With governments increasingly relying on data, technology and innovation to build economies and improve service delivery, we aspire to continue to increase its developments through investments and advanced technologies.
We develop technologies that first solve our own problems, and then problems of our families and friends, and problems of the general public. So our focus currently is to make it easier for citizens to access government services and to streamline government operation to help them serve their citizens effectively.
We currently have a presence of 6 countries on the continent covering East, West, and Central Africa, Sierra Leone, Malawi, South Sudan, Somalia, and our home country Kenya, making us the leading technology partner for e-government and public sector digitalization solution.
As Africans, we pride ourselves as being the food basket of the world, actually. We would love to see agriculture being one of the greatest exports, seeing Africa being able to sustain itself in terms of food production, in terms of farming. We pride ourselves as being here to be amongst the pioneers to actually drive this great agenda that we call the great digitization of the continent of Africa.
We believe that many African countries will be among the most economically developed in the near future, and we are determined to play a role in ensuring this happens by being actively engaged in ongoing projects to address structural challenges and root out any inefficiencies in the major sectors.